Hi everyone, let's see how you can remove all the AI features from Windows 11. To get started, simply head over to this web page from the link given in the video description, then scroll down the page. And under Launch with UI, you will get a code. Simply copy this code from here. Now search for Windows PowerShell. Right click over it and run it as administrator. Now paste the copied code here and hit enter to execute it. Here you can see what are the features that will be removed and disabled. Make sure all of them are check marked and simply click on apply and wait for the process to finish. Once done, simply click on yes to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, you won't get any traces of AI on your PC. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.